Hey guys, this is Corey.Buystedt with Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you the Heartland Bighorn 32 RS. Let's take a look inside. Alright guys, coming into the front entrance, there's a lot of great things you can see here. Color palettes are great. The first thing I noticed that makes this unit amazing is there's so much storage. So if you're looking for a great pantry, on your right here you have a ton of storage. You also have a fridge that's got two doors right here and two freezer doors above it. You have a 3-burner cooktop, all solid surface countertops, a TV entertainment stand, very large TV. All your hookups can all go right there. You have enough counter space to put your gaming consoles, whatever DVD player you need to put there. This kitchen also has an island and one big sink instead of the split one. We have a couch over here. It does turn into a bed. They did not cut corners on giving you plugins. You also have USB plugins beside the couch as well. You have this love seat where there are 2 recliners and you can heat them up, massage, they light up. You have a dinette beside that. So coming up the steps, you have your bathroom. So the toilet, you do have enough room to actually use it in this unit. You also see that you have a shower. It's got a walk-in, the sliding glass door. You got a sink. Off to your bedroom, you can see that you have a full walk-around bed, so it makes it easier for you to make the bed. You have a built-in dresser, and you have a whole closet storage with mirrors on it. And it's nice because you don't see mirrors often, so you can check to see if your outfit looks good. You also have a TV right here and one slide out in your bedroom. You also have your dresser that's built in, and you got a nice big window right in front of your bed. It does have an emergency exit if you need it. Also, if you open these 2 closet doors, you have washer and dryer hookups, so you can set that up if you need to later. Now that we're back outside, guys, I'll show you a few exterior features. We have 3 bays over here in the front. We have one for your generator that you can put in, one to access the front of your cross-through bays. So you have 3 doors total to access those. You don't really have to crawl inside. And then another one so you can access where your batteries and stuff are all plugged in. You also have a full auto level system on this unit. You have the solid step. Your awning comes out nice and long. This unit also has what we call Asdale. So it's a composite that replaces wood. So it is impervious to rot, decay, mold, delamination. So when you use Asdale, it improves your installation by 3 times. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions on our Heartland Bighorn, you can call me, Corey.Buystedt, at 541-735-1535. Thank you.